Shan Machinery Company Limited specializes in manufacturing casting machinery and whole plant casting equipment, shot blasting machines, sand core machines, etc. With dozens of standard machines available, our customers have more options to choose from. Furthermore, the approvals of multiple domestic and foreign patent applications allow us to improve our part management systems outside the factory. Because of the outstanding functions of our equipment, our foreign and domestic customers can increase their productivity while reducing expenses. We have thus gained industry recognition. Shan Machinery Company Limited specializes in manufacturing, designing, and developing shot blasting machines, as well as after-sales services. We expanded our business to environmental technology and sand core technology to provide to the upstream and downstream of the supply chain, and integrated OEM services for various metal parts, achieving a one-stop shop vertical integration engineering operation. Meeting the global environmental technology trend, we introduced sand core machines to offer the design and production of large sand core models, including OEM casting and sandblasting manufacturing process, etc. Ours is a professional manufacturing process and a comprehensive quality control managing system of international standards, which complies with global green casting production. While a sand core factory manufactures shell cores and shell casting, environmental technology is doing surface treatments on various metal and non-metal parts, serving to protect, reinforce, and beautify. Shan Machinery Company Limited gained a foothold in the industry with its objective to be the model of service treatment. Since its establishment in 1976, more than 40 years have passed. Shan has expanded from a machinery factory to an environmental technology factory and a sand core technology. Its modern industrial equipment demonstrates its maximized industrial competitiveness and has earned it a worldwide reputation for the best products and quality.